Marlou Aquino, born October 7, 1972, is a Filipino former professional basketball player who currently serves as the team consultant for the Pangasinan Heatwaves of the Maharlika Pilipinas Basketball League (NPBL). During his prime, he was known by fans as the Skyscraper and was, along with Edward Joseph File, one half of the so-called Twin Towers of the Ginebra San Miguel. Although born in the province of Pangasinan, Marlou Aquino made an impact as a player in Metro Manila as he played for the Edimson Falcons in the UAAP. Marlou played in the Philippine Basketball League for the Sta Lucia Realtors and Stag Pale Pilsen, and won a record-setting for PBL Most Valuable Player of the Year awards. He was famous for his so-called killy shot, a shot from under the opponent's armpit. In 1996, he made an impact in the Philippine basketball scene. He was drafted by the Ginebra San Miguel as the first overall pick. Expectations were high for Aquino, and he became a starting player in his rookie year in a team headed by Robert Jaworski. After showing strength in performance and leading the Kings to the All-Filipino Finals, he earned the nickname the Skyscraper and was tagged as David and Goliath with his tandem point guard, teammate Bal David. At the end of the season, Marlou Aquino became the first Ginebra player since Don Napoleo in 1986 to win the Rookie of the Year award. He finished the season averaging 17.9 points, 9.0 rebounds, 1.8 assists, 2.8 blocks in 40.7 minutes per contest. Aquino gained his second championship ring when the Realtors captured their first ever PBA title in 2001 by beating the San Miguel Beermen in the Governor's Cup. In the 2007 to 2008 season, he claimed his third championship during the season's Philippine Cup when Sta Lucia defeated the Pure Foods Tender Juicy Giants in 7 games. In 2010, he was acquired by the Barco Bull Energy Boosters. However, when the Energy Boosters filed a leave of absence for the 2011 PBA Commissioner's Cup, he was shortly signed by the Meralco Bolts, where he eventually ended his professional basketball career. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs.